Ikey's videotaping this.
And Chillum was watching him.
The bird's waiting for its mom, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. And Ike and Chillum found
Did you get the bird close up?
Yeah. Here, Maya, look.
Let me
they
see.
hear the weird voice.
Oh, that's so cute. It's hard because I'm always like moving the camera, and this is close up, so it's even harder.
Let me try. Can I try?
It's on video, just saying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Half of the
Oh, that is so cool. Sorry,
You can't
people.
find it now, right? You can't find it? Maya, you can't find it.
Let go of my arm. I found it.
It wasn't strong enough. I think you have to
Shlomo, let go of my shoulder, honey.
There's a lot more sugar. Drop. Not too much.
Oh, that's its mom.
A little more sugar.
That's its mom.
Yeah.
Let's get.
Aww.
Yeah. The few.
It's so good that Daddy was very good. He let it out, and now the mommy could feed it.
We take the dry wheat.
I think it's gonna fly very soon, this bird.
Yeah. You know, we make a mess. We take the dry wheat. What if the dry wheat that we can find?
Hi, Julie.
Let's take that and the basketball and say,
Hey, Jewel.
stand on it, lay.
Where's Julie?
And calca and stuff and
Hey, Julie.
Are you a baby birdie? The baby bird's so cute.
It is, right? We should have videotaped it when he had it in a box in the house.
We did.
No, we didn't.
And we took pictures.
Nope, no
Yeah, I
pictures.
did.
Oh, you did? You sure?
No, don't hit you.
Where's your phone?
I don't think he did.
Look, she has a mustache and goatee.
I don't
She
think
has a mustache and
so.
goatee.
She has a mustache and Julie has a mustache and a goatee.
Yeah,
Julie,
look.
do you have a mustache and a goatee?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's because she doesn't like being harassed by you, though. That I could tell. Julie!
Mustache.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, Mom.
You going hunting?
Yeah. We're gonna go hunt for some birds.
It's funny. So that's like its new nest, technically. It wants to be there. Whoops. Sorry, people. Oh, that's so cute.
After losing the action.
My face, boy. Bye.
Bye, everyone.